In today's short and simple tutorial video, I am going to show you how you can add yourself to any picture using Canva. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So I have this picture of the Eiffel Tower and I want to add this picture to it. So the first thing we need to do is to remove the background of this picture. For that, you need to open your internet browser and in the search bar, you need to type background remover. Click on this first link. Then click on this upload image option. Now select the photo and click on done. Okay, the background of the picture has been perfectly removed. So click on this download option and then go back to Canva. Delete this picture and then click on this add icon and select this background removed image. Click on add to page. Now adjust your picture. To adjust the brightness, contrast and saturation, click on the image and then click on this adjust option. And that's it. In this way you can add yourself to any picture using Canva. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.